So hello boys and girls, this is your friend AP. Today I am trying to create my own ROM hack. So country, I'm trying to give a voiceover. So country, I have applied our paths. Now guys, through this paths, my ROM hack will kind of look good. Means a graphic patch it is. Now this graphic patch is created by Link, and special thanks to him for creating the graphic patch. As you can see, the graphics are really too good in this ROM hack. Plus means patch. Plus thanks to Duke for helping me out in these. Means he have provided me the IPS version of this patch, and I really like this patch a lot. Means you can see the graphics have actually changed. Now guys, I am at this moment I wasn't thinking what should I do, means what should I add in my own ROM hack. So I was seeing how advanced map will react. It reacted really well. Then afterwards I decided to add an event. Now guys, the story will be simple. Boy will come there. Afterwards he will talk to Team Rocket. He will be fancied by Team Rocket that, oh wow, this Team Rocket guy is so much good. Then afterwards he will try to be Team Rocket. Then afterwards, when he will turn out that, oh, Team Rocket is doing bad work, he will betray Team Rocket, and at the end he will become the hero. This story is something like this, guys. Now guys, currently I'm trying to add a obstacle because I don't want to add two map scripts. And to be honest, scripts are things that I just don't understand what are they. So currently I needed a dummy through which I can just make Team Rocket and Team Rocket appear in front of this. So the first event is something like this. You would go talk to Team Rocket, and Team Rocket will say that I'm in a mission, etc, etc. Then after a few minutes you will be fancied by it, etc type things. Then afterwards guys, I decided to just wait. And then afterwards guys, what I did was that change Team Rocket, means change this character to be Team Rocket. Now there are many characters in this game and it's really hard, and I'm not currently having any list through which I am able to look at and be knowing that which one is it. So I had to use old fashioned way, which was just changing the number and hoping that you will soon encounter it. As you can see, country, I am going through many peoples a lot, and afterwards I just paused my game and it is just here. Country, I'm trying to write my own script in which something will happen. Now guys, after I have created Team Rocket guy, I created a script block through which you can do some work, and that script block will conduct a script, and this script is really going to be good. Now currently you are seeing me writing a code. Now guys, this in through this code, what will happen is that when you will walk on that tile, then afterwards something will trigger and you will walk towards the Team Rocket guy, ask him that you are from Team Rocket. Team Rocket guy will say yes, and etc. Now guys, as you can see, I'm currently using movement tutorial, movement helper. This is a really good tool. After all, I use it, and I would say yeah, it is a really good tool. Now guys, I would also like to say that I'm going to upload weekly now onwards. Means not every day I'm going to upload, I will be uploading weekly. Now guys, this scripting tutorial, script movement helper will be really great. And sorry if I haven't uploaded tutorial about script as and script block. I will be soon uploading about them also. And to be honest, this took 3 tries, means I'm serious. This actually took 3 tries. Now guys, as you can see, this is pause. Now what this pause does is that it just pauses the character, and afterwards you can see fade, default, etc. I've wrote. Now guys, let me just tell you, I am currently using a external keyboard to write all the scripts, not hacker's keyboard, and I am currently using a Bluetooth keyboard to it. Now guys, let me as you can see, this is the script block. Let me enter the digits which were given, and I have forgotten about war numbers. Yes, at my first attempt I forgot about the war number that I have to actually add setvar also. It's a command which is required to write, and I just wrote it. Yeah, setvar 40501. Then afterwards I ignored it. Then no. Then afterwards I go in there, enter the digits. Now this actually horribly turns really good, means at the first bigger time it just turns out to be really great. Let me just show you what will happen. Okay guys, let's just cross it up and let me just show you what will happen in game. Now I forgot I changed the location, etc. happens guys. Let's just focus on that game right now. And I forgot that I have to actually fight the level again now, so I just tried avoiding it. And you can see, yeah, in the first attempt this was really good script. Now the one thing which happens is that I couldn't able to move, so I just go on there and saw what I was doing wrong. Now I have already saved my script, so I can try it again and see if I've done anything wrong. And as it turns out, my dot means my offset wasn't having enough value for the new script, so yeah, it wasn't able to work. Plus I edited that also, movement of that. And then as I have already saved my script, I started using movement helper. Movement helper is a really great tool, to be honest. Means I've used it 3 times in a row today. And by the way, it takes really long time to create these type of videos, so do consider subscribing and liking the video and sharing it with your friends. By the way, at the end I still tackled the problem, but still, let's continue. So guys, what I did is that now I just copy pasted up the script which I created, means movements. And then afterwards I added disappear. Now guys, this one was wrong because you can see disappear spelling is clearly wrong, but still ignoring the fact that I have wrote the wrong spelling, I continued because I wasn't knowing that time that I have wrote the wrong spelling. Then afterwards I used obviously my external keyboard to write this all thing. Then afterwards guys, my second attempts come in. Now to be honest, I again forgot to save my room hack, so let me just show you what happens right now. It worked out, but then afterwards the guide just didn't disappeared, which just make this thing more saggy and more bad after more bad. Then afterwards guys, okay, I just realized what a mistake I have done at the end. I will be fixing it. Okay guys, let's just continue. Okay, so no, then afterwards I created again that, and afterwards I gone again through the pain. Then afterwards I was thinking why disappear isn't working after all, means disappear should have worked, etc. And I was waiting. Now guys, this is where everything changed. As you can see right now, my external keyboard is having a problem and it is typing everything in capital. Even if I click on caps lock shift, nothing was working perfectly, and I tried doing it again and again, and at the end I was able to achieve what I needed to, means small s. Means my external keyboard is also having problem. You can see it's really hard to create a ROM hack on Android, but it is possible to create a ROM hack on Android. And guys, here I have root set for. Then afterwards I go on that disappear. Now guys, here I have put placed disappear at the wrong area, I would say, because disappear should be not placed at this area. Disappear should have been placed after I have done the movements, means after that 0xa thingy. And guys, I have again used movement helper, and then afterwards I go on there, then afterwards copy pasted everything, then afterwards again. To be honest, I want, if any pro- professional GB ROM hacker is seeing this video, I want to know that I have used many offsets. Is it possible that I will run out of offsets, because I'm not even using that, what do that upgraded FireRed or 32 MB FireRed. I'm currently using 16 MB version of it only. And as you can see, I've clearly entered the wrong data. I don't know why, but I did. And then afterwards you can see I will be struggling. Afterwards nothing happens because you can know you know why it isn't happening. Afterwards I just, because I needed to again and again fight with the level, I was getting angry. So I just made it so that now I can walk through the trees so that I can see what mistake I am doing. And I forgot to save whenever I fight the level, yes. And it didn't even work this time, so I just continued again and again. I might be saying a little bit backwards on my voice, sorry for that. Now guys, I tried doing it, I tried set war, I tried everything. Then afterwards I used the commands again and again, but still nothing worked out. As you can see right now, I tried it again and set war didn't work. Wait a second. Yeah, there was a bug. Let me just say that this is really bad happening with me things. But still, luck is not that good after all. And you might be thinking why I reset it. It is because I just didn't wanted to go to the terror fight again. Now guys, at the end I can see that nothing is happening good after all. So guys, afterwards I tried again. So I tackled two main problems. First one of them is that the script will work again if I step on the tile. Means if I move towards the tile again, the script will work. And the second problem was this, that the grunt was reappearing after the certain amount of time. I do not know why, but grunt was reappearing. I might be able to solve this problem in my next video, so do consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you for watching this video guys. Bye.